Did you know that the average person only deep cleans their toilet once every 2 weeks, yet it's one of the most used fixtures in any home? Think about it. How often do you really give your toilet a thorough cleaning? Or better yet, do you know the easiest way to keep your toilet spotless with minimal effort? If not, you're not alone. Most people dread toilet cleaning, but what if I told you there are simple, effective hacks that can make this chore almost effortless, using items you probably already have at home? Let's dive into the world of toilet cleaning hacks, a set of clever, time-saving tricks that transform the way you approach one of the least glamorous, but most important, parts of bathroom hygiene. Efficient toilet cleaning isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a healthier environment, preventing stubborn stains, and eliminating unpleasant odors before they take hold. By learning a few smart methods, you can save time, money, and a lot of elbow grease, all while keeping your bathroom fresh and inviting. First, let's address some of the common challenges people face when it comes to cleaning their toilets. One of the biggest complaints is the presence of tough stains, whether it's hard watermarks, mineral buildup, or the dreaded ring that just won't budge. Then there's the issue of lingering odors, which can persist no matter how much air freshener you use. And of course, for many, the biggest hurdle is simply finding the time and motivation to clean regularly. With busy schedules and competing priorities, toilet cleaning often falls to the bottom of the to-do list. But what if you could tackle all these issues with a few simple hacks? Let's explore some of the most effective toilet cleaning methods using everyday household items. No harsh chemicals required. One of the most popular and powerful combinations for toilet cleaning is vinegar and baking soda. Start by pouring about a cup of baking soda directly into the toilet bowl, followed by 2 cups of white vinegar. You'll immediately notice a fizzing reaction. This is the natural cleaning power at work. Let the mixture sit for at least 10 minutes. During this time, the fizzing action helps to break down stains, dissolve mineral deposits, and neutralize odors. After the wait, scrub the bowl with a toilet brush as usual, and then flush. Not only does this method clean effectively, but it also leaves the toilet smelling fresh and free of chemical residue. For those persistent stains that seem to resist even the most vigorous scrubbing, try using a pumice stone. Wet the pumice stone and gently rub it over the stained areas. The stone is abrasive enough to lift away tough mineral deposits without scratching the porcelain. Always keep the stone and the toilet surface wet to prevent damage. This hack is especially useful for removing the stubborn ring that forms at the waterline. Another quick and easy trick involves denture cleaning tablets. Drop 1 or 2 tablets into the toilet bowl and let them fizz away for about 20 minutes. The effervescent action helps to loosen grime and stains, making it easier to clean with a brush afterward. This method is not only effective, but also incredibly convenient. Just pop in the tablets and let them do the work while you attend to other tasks. If unpleasant odors are your main concern, essential oils can be a game changer. After cleaning your toilet, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as tea tree, lavender, or eucalyptus, into the tank or directly into the bowl. Not only do these oils have natural antibacterial properties, but they also leave a lingering, pleasant scent that keeps your bathroom smelling fresh between cleanings. For an extra boost, you can mix a few drops of essential oil with baking soda and sprinkle it inside the bowl before scrubbing. Let's not forget about the toilet tank, which is often overlooked but can harbor bacteria and contribute to odors. To clean your tank, simply pour a cup of white vinegar into the tank and let it sit for an hour before flushing. This helps to dissolve mineral buildup and keeps the internal parts of your toilet functioning smoothly. Now, among all these hacks, one stands out as the most effective and transformative: the vinegar and baking soda method. Not only does it tackle stains and odors simultaneously, but it's also safe for your plumbing and the environment. Imagine a before and after scenario: a toilet bowl with stubborn stains and a lingering musty odor, transformed into a sparkling, clean, fresh-smelling fixture, all with just 2 common kitchen ingredients. This hack is tried, tested, and beloved by countless households for its simplicity and reliable results. To sum up, maintaining a clean toilet doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With these simple hacks, using vinegar and baking soda for deep cleaning, a pumice stone for tough stains, denture tablets for effortless fizzing action, and essential oils for lasting freshness. You can keep your toilet spotless and odor-free with minimal time and effort. These methods harness the power of natural ingredients, are gentle on your plumbing, and are safe for your family and the environment. The next time you notice your toilet needs a little extra attention, remember these easy tips. A clean toilet isn't just about aesthetics, it's about comfort, hygiene, and peace of mind. With these hacks in your cleaning arsenal, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a sparkling bathroom. So why not give them a try and see the difference for yourself? Your toilet and your nose will thank you.